Everyone wants their house to resemble the picture of a room in the magazine, but not everyone wants to deal with the nitty-gritty of building such a home. This is where interior designer come to your rescue. A designer not only give you advice on how to plan your home, but also take care of the execution, that is purchasing the required materials, supervising carpentry and electrical work, and so on. It sounds good, but you might be thinking, how much does an interior designer charge to design and furnish? This is probably the first generic question that you may be wondering about, the cost of the interior design services. In this video, I am going to help you understand how much an interior designer charges in India. So let me tell you, my friend, interior design is a long process that involves planning, material selection and multiple visits. The interior designer fixes the rates based on a variety of factors such as your individual needs and preferences, your budget, cost of materials, brand of material used, labor charges in that area, size of the space to be designed, and what kind of lights and fixtures used. That portfolio of interior designer whom you have hired also matters. Planning and designing is the most important part of the overall project, and that's where an experienced interior designer adds value. They can turn an empty space into a beautiful and efficient home. Turnkey projects will cost you more as the professional will do everything from designs, blueprints and material selection. If I talk about turnkey basis, most interior designers in major cities in India prefer turnkey projects, and that's probably the best way to get your home designed and furnished. Whereas if I talk about consultancy project, then you can hire interior designer for blueprint, site visit and material selection. Labor and material purchase can be done by you, and you can save money in that area. There are different ways in which designer calculate their fees. Let's have a look at them. If I talk about per square feet, based on the area of the home, the designer can charge between 15 rupees to 150 per square feet. If you are looking for design alone, there is no set upper limit, as the pricing depends upon the services which they offer. Rather than just design, if the designer is responsible for getting all the products, supervising the carpentry work, that is, it can be modular kitchens, wardrobes, flooring and ceiling, this price can shoot up to rupees 2500 to 5000 per square feet, depending upon the services and the quality of furniture. It is advisable to clearly mention your requirements and estimated budget so that the interior designer can come up with a plan that fits your requirements and budget. The designer calculates the overall price of the project inclusive of products and services based on the total cost. They will charge around 8% to 15% as a design fee. This can shoot up to 20% based on the level of design and expertise involved. It can be based on percentage, commission per square foot, or a combination of two or more categories. The designer calls this a fee, and there is no transparency on what basis this is charged. On top of all this, there are few additional charges like site visit charge. It can cost on an average of 1500 to 2000 rupees, or it can go up to 2500 approximately for every visit. If you are not satisfied with one design, or if you ask the designer to make multiple changes, then after the third or fourth iteration, every replacement will be chargeable. Usually we share 3 to 4 iterations. Anything more than that will be chargeable. So check with your designer before you ask for different designs. that can cost you from 50,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees. Some designer charge per room view as well, which can vary from 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Again, you have to check with your designer. Hence, they consider the size of the home along with the number of rooms. We also charge on basis of cost for only design. If you want only design ideas or not only actual service, then the interior designer will charge about 20k to 50k for placement of furniture and decor suggestions. If you want the designer to be present at the site to supervise the installation, or you want your designer to be there with your carpenter, then that will be chargeable too, depending upon project cost. In major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore and even Hyderabad, the interior designer can charge depending upon the area and the kind of space you are giving them. Let me give you an example. If you have a 3 BHK ka flat or a space of 1000 square feet, the interior designer can charge anything between 4 lakh to 6 lakh as designing fees. The rate tend to differ from company to company, and the cost will entirely depend upon the quality, brand and other accessories you choose. I hope this video will be helpful for you if you are also planning to hire an interior designer for your project. See you in next video with new ideas and inspiration only on Design by Misha.